Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Discover student account. If you're a student and you'd like to view and manage your student loan account on Discover, then here's how to do it before beginning. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address box at the top of the screen, type in www.discover.com/studentloans and press enter. You'll end up in the official website. Go ahead and click on the login button in the top right-hand corner in order to end up in the login area. In the pop-up you'll be able to see your login area displayed on the screen. Go ahead and type in a user ID in the user ID text box and head over to the password field and type in your password. Double-check your password by clicking on this little icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal it. If you'd like the system to remember use your ID, click on this Remember Use Your ID box, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave it unchecked for logging in. In case you don't remember use your ID or your password, click on Forgot Use Your ID's last password link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID or to reset your password. Finally, after entering all of your information, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Discovery student loan account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll see you back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.